Hi lovelies, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm making flax crackers and I'm taking you along with me. I grabbed a few ingredients, so let's check them out. Here I have my flax seeds, then I will be adding pumpkin seeds, chia seeds and sunflower seeds. I will season it with some pepper and salt. Here I have a little bit of tomato puree. We're going to give it a little bit of a pizza flavor. Onion flakes, dried onion flakes, some paprika and fresh thyme. So here I have my mixing bowl and I'm adding about a cup of flax seeds. To that, some sea salt to taste. I'm guessing I'm adding about half a teaspoon. Then a heaping tablespoon of dried onion flakes. Half a teaspoon of smoked paprika and then a tablespoon, I guess, of tomato puree. To this I'm adding a whole cup of water, and now let's mix this up. To this I'm adding, I think, well, let's say a quarter of a cup of chia seeds. Mix well, like that. So here is my mix. I will let it sit for about 30 to 40 minutes so the seeds can form this gelatinous texture, and it will make it easier to spread over my baking sheet. In the meantime, I'm going to preheat my oven to 150 to 160 degrees. When the seeds have absorbed all of the water and the consistency is nice and gelatinous, I'm going to add my last pair of seeds, my pumpkin and sunflower seeds. Something like that. And add a few leaves of thyme. If you want to make it a little bit more cheesy, add a bit of nutritional yeast. In fact, that's what I'm going to do, about a handful. The healthiest way to make flaxseed crackers is in a dehydrator, which I don't have, nor do I have the patience, so I will make them in the oven, which will take me about 40 minutes instead of overnight. So here I have my baking tray with some parchment paper, and I'm going to spread my mixture on top of it. The trick here is to spread it nice and even, so you don't have soft parts and crispy parts on your crackers. You want it all nice and thin and crispy. There we go. So this is my jumbo cracker. I'm going to put it in the oven for about 30 to 40 minutes or until nice and crispy. Just make sure not to burn it because that will make it really bitter. So this is how they turn out, thin and crispy. They are a perfect alternative to a regular wheat cracker, especially if you try to eat less gluten or less carbs. I think these are delicious as a TV snack instead of crisps or something greasy. You can serve this with your favorite dip or put some feta cheese on top with some basil and maybe fresh tomatoes. So try this out at home and let me know what you think of it. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and I really hope to see you in my next video. Bye.